In this video, I'm breaking down Motorola's best smartphones, covering design, performance, camera, and value for money. Whether you want something premium like the new Razr Ultra or a dependable mid-ranger like the G75, there's a perfect Moto for you. Let's start strong with the top AI-powered beast of 2025. Let's kick things off with the Moto Edge 60 Pro 5G AI edition. And wow, this phone feels flagship through and through. You get a 6.7-inch POLD display with 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. It's buttery smooth and sharp, powered by an AI-optimized Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It can handle everything from gaming to heavy multitasking without a hitch. The triple camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor, delivers clean, vibrant photos with excellent dynamic range. Motorola's AI scene recognition really steps it up this year, automatically optimizing lighting and contrast in real time. Add in NFC, dual SIM support, and super fast 68-watt turbo power charging, and you've got a flagship that nails performance and practicality. If you're looking for a true premium Motorola, this one's tough to beat. But next up, number 4 proves you don't have to spend big for flagship design and power. The Motorola Edge 2025 looks absolutely stunning in that Pantone deep forest finish. It's classy, minimal, and surprisingly lightweight. Under the hood, it packs an 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage setup and runs on a refined Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring quick response times and smooth everyday performance. The 50-megapixel main camera handles photos beautifully crisp detail, rich color tones, and better stabilization than last year's model. You also get a large battery with fast charging that easily lasts over a day on a single charge. Motorola's software is close to stock Android, with a few smart AI additions like voice summarization and dynamic task suggestions, super clean and fast. If you love minimalist design but still want strong performance, the Edge 2025 is a gem. But what if you want premium performance at a mid-range price? That's exactly what number 3 delivers. Here's where Motorola really hits the sweet spot, the Edge 60 Fusion. It's a dual SIM 5G smartphone with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, and it offers that balance of power, design, and value that most people are after. The design is sleek with subtle curves, and the 6.6-inch OLED display gives you rich contrast and vibrant colors, great for streaming or gaming. It runs on a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is surprisingly efficient and keeps the phone cool even during long sessions. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures bright, well-balanced shots, and Motorola's color science has definitely improved skin tones, and low-light performance look great here. Add in a solid battery with 68-watt fast charging, and you've got an all-rounder that feels premium without the premium price tag. But if you want style and innovation rolled into one, number 2 is where things get exciting. The Razr Ultra 2025 is Motorola's most iconic device, and this year, it's better than ever. This foldable beauty features a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED main screen with 165Hz refresh rate and an external display that's actually useful. You can reply to messages, control music, or even shoot selfies without unfolding it. Under the hood, it runs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Yes, this is a powerhouse in disguise. The 50-megapixel dual camera system captures impressive detail, and Motorola's AI post-processing helps enhance portraits and stabilize videos like never before. Battery life? Better than expected, and you get wireless charging, 5G support, and an overall build that feels more durable than previous generations. If you want a foldable that's equal parts stylish and practical, this is it. But before you jump to premium, the next one might just surprise you with how much it offers for the price. Next, the Moto G75 5G, the best budget-friendly Motorola of 2025. It's got a 6.78-inch LCD display with a smooth refresh rate, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor that's perfect for day-to-day use. You also get a 50-megapixel AI-powered main camera, a big battery with fast charging, and clean software that makes it easy to use, no bloat, no lag. The dual SIM support and wide compatibility with networks like T-Mobile, Mint, and Metro PCS make it ideal for international or US users. For its price, the G75 packs serious punch, a smooth experience, reliable camera, and battery life that easily lasts 2 days. If you want the most value for your money, this is the one to go for. You'll find all the phones linked in the description. Go check out the latest deals and full specs. If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which Motorola would you pick, the Razr or the G75? Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about spending more on a phone. It's about finding the one that gives you the most value.